All right, so if you weren't sure whether you wanted to keep your Instagram account or not because you were thinking of switching over to TikTok, I think Instagram may have just found its differentiator. So, hey, what's up? My name is Jessica. I go by Joss Speaks Digital. If you aren't already, make sure you're following me here on my account. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, do all the things that helps me out with the algorithm so I can create more videos like this. So, Instagram just figured out what their differentiator is, and it has to do with links. So what we're going to do is I'm going to go ahead and get into my computer here, and I'm going to show you all how you can put links in your bios of your videos to drive people to your website. This is definitely going to be one you don't want to miss, so make sure you stay tuned. All right, so here we are. We're into my Instagram account. I really pride myself on making these videos super duper short. When I first started out on Instagram, you cannot put links in bios, right? Or you cannot put links in descriptions. Let me say it correctly. You could put a link in the bio, and at that time you can only use one link. Now you can put multiple links all over Instagram, and it's super duper cool, and I cannot wait to show it to you. So let's go ahead and hop into it. So here's my Instagram account. If you aren't following me at Joss Speaks Digital, make sure you follow me on Instagram, and also make sure you're following me here if you're watching this on YouTube. What we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and go into our video section. I'm going to show you guys what I did, and then I'll also show you how to do it. So here on Instagram, you're going to see that I have a video that I just did. I just did a live stream. That's why I hence the same outfit. So you go in here, you go ahead and you do your live stream as you would do. This is actually a scheduled live stream because I wanted to try to utilize the scheduling feature and see how it all worked, which is pretty darn cool. So I'll do a separate video on that. So here, inside of the tools here, you're going to go ahead and you can see down here at the bottom, it says subscribe to get notified when I upload the full tutorial, which is the tutorial that I just recorded before this video. Guess what? It's clickable. So that means that you can now link to your bios, Lord. You can link to your blogs. That's what I'm trying to say. You can link to your blogs, you can link to your newsletters, you can link to your emails. This is a game changer for real, especially if you have very loyal folks that follow you and connect with you. You want to do this. You want to use this feature. So make sure that and you don't have to do this live. That's the kicker about it. This is what's amazing about it. You do not have to do this a live stream in order to use this feature. So what we're going to do is I'm going to show you now the how-to. So we're going to go ahead, click on the plus sign. We're going to get our video. So we're going to go to post. We're going to go, I am just going to grab video. So I'm going to grab this video here, even though it's the wrong ratio, because it's actually made for Facebook. I created this video just to be like a bit of a Facebook thing. And this isn't the updated one. So actually, let me get the updated video and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. So if you're not interested in this part, go ahead and skip a couple seconds ahead. But I want to show you guys this. So I started off with this video, right? And this video was okay, right? It had the slider in. I did my little dancing thing, and it just had a white background with profitable content. But then I was always taking a shower. Why do we always get all our bright ideas in the shower? I have no idea. But I was thinking, oh, I could actually use another video that I was going to use for something else and overlay it. So what I did was I utilized the same video, but then when it came to the white background, look at what I did. I added in the overlay, and that just made it just so much better as far as the experience in the cinematography. Is that how you said it? What cinematography of this thing? So anyway, that's the video we're going to be using for Instagram. So let's go back into Instagram. We're going to go ahead and click on our plus sign. We're going to grab our video. Just make sure this is the right one really quick. Yada, yada, yada. Jessica's talking. Jessica's flipping. Jessica's dancing. And okay, great. So now, hold on. It knocked me out my bed. So let's go ahead. Let's click on next. Let's click on next again. All right. So now we have our video, right? Now, here's the kicker, right? Because it's going to always throw it into just putting it as a post. We don't want it to be a post. We want the video to, or you know what? I apologize. Actually, we do want it to be a post because now you don't have to choose between IGTV and the post. Haha. So before, what you would have to do is go in and actually select IGTV. Now it'll automatically push it as an IGTV. So we can go in here, we can click on next, we can click on next. Let's say we already had our caption written, which I don't. So, hey, testing this. All right, so then we're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna put in, okay, I have that already in there. Let's go ahead and find my YouTube channel link. Or, let's find my Facebook business page, because I feel like I need to get some more likes on my Facebook business page where, I'm not really tripping, to be honest with you, but let's just roll with it for now. So we're going to place that there. I'm going to put a little arrow. Hey, and I'm going to actually make this into a post. Hey, are you following me on Facebook? On Facebook? Or the Meta, whatever they're calling this thing now, right? It's either Facebook, Meta, I don't know. Let's see. Check me out. I have a ton of Facebook lives coming up soon. All right. So the reason why I'm doing this is because Facebook is really pushing video on Facebook per se, and you also can get in the news feed on Facebook with other celebs and around their content. And that's what we want. We want for someone to watch maybe a regular show that they usually watch with their favorite artist or celebrity, whatever, and then find our content and be like, oh, this person looks interesting. Let me watch their stuff, right? And then possibly become a client or buy something from us. That is the ideal. That is what we're trying to do. So we associate our content with the content of others. So we'll do that. I'm going to go ahead and just put hashtag. Is it, let's see, Facebook, hashtag Meta, hashtag Job Speaks Digital. And I can go in and add some other hashtags, all that good stuff on here. I would like to put a cover on here, to be honest with you. And I don't really like the way this layout is checking out. But I'm going to go ahead and post it just so you guys can see it. And then I'm going to go ahead and delete it. So we're going to go ahead and it says share to Facebook. No, we don't want that on because I'm going to delete this. So cool. So we have that. I'm going to save this because I am actually going to post a post like this. I just need to go in and make sure that I'm putting in the right hashtags, all that good stuff. So we're going to click on share. It's going to send it. And now when we go into, actually it did come out long ways. So that's cool. Okay. So then we'll leave it then as long as it's coming up the right way. So we have that already set to go. Now, when we go to my profile and we go into video, and then we click on this video and we click on more, guess what? Now it goes over to my actual business page, which is where I want it to go. So that is what we want. We want to utilize all the link options that we have available to us because we really want, I actually did get a couple more followers on my Facebook business page. So what we want is that we want to drive people to the places and the spaces, but we want to do that strategically. Now, if you need help with intention and strategy, make sure you go ahead and click the link down below. You can go ahead and book a strategy session with me. We can talk a little bit more about what you're doing and how I may be able to help you and assist you. There is an application process. You go ahead and fill out that application, and then I let you know if I can in fact help you or I refer you to someone else. Just keeping it real. 100% real. If I can't help you, I will refer you to someone else, that one of my other digital friends that I feel may be able to assist you in your needs and things you want to do. So with that all being said, you now know how to put links into your Instagram. Woo! Super excited about that. Utilize it. There's another way that you can put links. We're going to go through that really quickly. And that's in stories. So we're going to go ahead and go over to stories. We're going to go ahead and post my video and stories. We're going to go ahead and click on this part. And then you're going to see a thing that says link somewhere in here. There it is. Link. Okay. Boom. It's Facebook. And then we can say, are we connected? Facebook. Okay. or the meta. Okay, so whatever they're calling it these days, this is just my personality. You do not have to be this. It's just me. I'm a little cuckoo cracker, cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs sometimes. But I like to make it fun. I like to have fun with this stuff because, I mean, why not, right? Why the heck not? Why wouldn't I? Why would I just go ahead and do this and not make it fun? All right, so now you know how to use links on Instagram. Ain't that dope, right? Like, you better start using it. I hope you're gonna use it. Make sure you go ahead and comment down below. Are you gonna be utilizing links on Instagram? Does that make you want to create more content on Instagram versus on TikTok? Let me know down below. I definitely want to hear your insight. I cannot wait to see you on Instagram or on Reels. I hope you got your Reels going. Did you, girls? Do you got your Reels? Okay. I hope you got your Reels going as well. My name is Jessica. I go by Joss Speaks Digital. Wishing you wellness in life and in business. Peace.